Coastal wetlands are some of the rarest natural environments found in the Maltese islands, and one of these wetlands is found in Marsaxlokk, commonly known by the locals as Il-Ballut ta' Marsaxlokk. Because it hosts some of the important rare species of animals, plants and habitats, it is protected under the Natura 2000 network, and ERA, in collaboration with Nature Trust Malta, manages the site. Because coastal wetlands are some of the rarest habitats in Malta, they are subject to a lot of human impacts, pressures and threats, and Il-Ballut ta' Marsaxlokk is no exception. One of the challenges faced by the site is coastal erosion from the sea and a poor water cycle inside the site. In fact, the aim of Action C13 within this project is to first study and come up with implementation measures to restore the natural water cycle. And the second phase of this study is to implement the implementations recommended in the study in order to restore back the natural water cycle and protect the site from further coastal erosion.